Alright, we are inside the farmer's market now, and it's warmer. This is who's got her cart on wheels. This is a great place if you're into this type of stuff. Great place to come and shop. Jalapeno, peanut brittle, or apple cider. That stuff is really good when it's warm. Smells good, folks. You get here if you're ever in southern Indiana, north of Louisville, Kentucky, about 10 miles. Come to Huber's. Basically, it's a huge farm with various retail. Fudge is really, really good. This is who found the soups. She loves these soups that they have here. This is where she stocks up her soups. About once a year we come up here. What you got so far?
They've got chicken tortilla. Did you want that one?
Yeah, that's fine.
Stuffed pepper. Your tomato bisque, basil bisque. And then thought we would try butternut bisque.
Okay.
Unless you want me to try something different.
Minestrone.
Okay.
Cocoa and tins.
They even have the thing in here.
Blackberry cider. Oh, wait. Cherry.
Blueberry.
Peach. And then over here on this other side are noodles. Now, these are probably retail noodles. You can get them anywhere here, but
Muffin mixes and crisp toppings. Bacon ranch muffin mix. Sugar cookies. These are different baking mixes.
green tea.
Oh, look. The chocolate bombs. Hot chocolate mixes.
Chocolate bombs. Those are cool. Stir stick. That's cool. They have these chocolate stir sticks, honey. You see that? Makes it more fun that way. Put that out.
That's what I was telling her. There's chocolate spoons over here.
Yeah.
I didn't think about this when our kids.
Makes it more fun. Do we want some cider? Let's just get like a half a gallon of cider this time. Oh, you already grabbed it? We always pick up apple cider here. Along with wine. We always pick up soups. All their breads. Up.
Which one's that?
Cinnamon raisin, of course.
No, you're fine. You want a jalapeno bean bread?
Good, they got peach bread. She wants savory. Pumpkin bread, apple bread. Cinnamon caramel apple nut bread. That's different.
Cinnamon raisin.
Hey, caramel apple. I might actually change that out.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I want that one instead.
we have cinnamon rolls over there.
That looks good. And Mississippi wants savory, so she picked up jalapeno cheese bread. Pop it into a toaster. Cookies. And that's only 1/4 of the store. Heading over to the other side now. What's that? Gift basket flyer, but they actually have gift baskets right over here. Fudge. Okay, pecans. Here's the baskets. That's on this flyer here. So these are all the different baskets that they have on this flyer here. I may have to put this flyer up online, that way you guys can look at it if you're interested. That's a huge basket right there. Another huge basket there. Christmas snacks, cookies, biscuits, whatever you want to call them. Don't need more chocolate right now. White chocolate covered pretzels, looks like. Crunch popcorn. Dark chocolate or chocolate covered pretzels here. That's tempting. Tempting, tempting, tempting. Looks like raisins. Nope, almonds. Can never have enough of that. That's a prep, ladies and gentlemen. This is a prep. It never goes bad. Never, ever goes bad. Oh, they got cone honey here too. That's cool. Again, never goes bad. And that cone in there is edible. Never goes bad. Of course, all these in jars shouldn't go bad for a very long time. But honey has been known to be good for thousands of years. Well, speaking of cones, here we go. Full cone.
Did you see the honeycombs?
I did.
I was like,
Yeah. Those cones are cool. Can never have enough. Did you find any honey spoons?
I haven't looked yet.
I haven't seen any.
Oh, they do have honey spoons.
They got honey spoons. How much are they?
$3.99 each.
You want to grab it for 2 or 3?
A stir stick.
Oh, you
Three.
will? Yeah. So you don't need a stir stick.
It's so cute.
How much is a stir stick?
$4.99.
Not that cute. You can get a fourth honey spoon instead. Okay, I'm going to sign off here, guys. I'll have links in the video description below talking about Hebers. And if you are in southern Indiana, Louisville, Kentucky area, check this place out. And hit me up if you're in the area. We'll meet up. Bark. Okay, one more.
What is it?
Bark.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done. See you, everyone.